Abutin ang iyong pangarap na bahay sa Newell Townhomes. Ang isang komunidad nag-aalok ng comfort, kaligtasan at kaginhawaan sa Tansa, Cavite. Dito mahahanap ng isang tahimik na kanlungan na malapit sa mga pangunahing establishmento at ang nagbibigay ng isang mas magandang buhay para sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. A property that is located at prime location with 24/7 security. Along the highway, no transportation hassle, and have nearby establishment that suits your everyday needs. Two-story American Spark townhouse with complete turnover. It has 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, cemented car garage, spacious service area, pocket garden, fence, and balcony. Available through bank, in-house, and pag-ibig financing, all in TCP na kasama na din ang tubig at ilaw mo.